So, class, maklase na tayo ha. Tawagin ko inyong pangalan, ma-present. Okay, Aya. Present, ma'am. And Sam. Present, ma'am. Zion. Present, ma'am. Jared. Si Jared. Present, ma'am. And Chloe. Present, ma'am. Bye-bye. And Kizaya. Present, ma'am. And Aya. Present, ma'am. Okay, class. Mano na tayo? Klase, okay? Nang dapat ako matawag sa inyo. Ma-answer. 1 plus 1. Okay? Ikaw ma-answer. Aya ka man dito. Lakat dito. Ako, ma'am. 2. Very good, Aya. Okay, ito naman. 2 plus 2. Ikaw, ma-answer. Jared. Ako, ma'am. 2. 4, ma'am. 4. Very good, Jared. And 4 plus 4. Ikaw, answer. Zion. 8, ma'am.
But if it's 8.5, I can...
Okay, very good. Mabuhay na ta.